I have had the privilege of playing golf all over the world, and occasionally encounter those places that leave a lasting mark on the soul. Black Stork Golf Resort in Slovakia is one of those. Embedded in the mighty Tatra Mountains, it's a true hidden gem, and a nature experience far beyond the ordinary. The story of this resort is one of pure vision. It began in the 1980s when the founder, Jiří Hruška, first conceived the idea during a business trip to Germany. From a humble driving range and a tiny shack for a clubhouse, his daughter Sylvia, who at early age stood by his side in this project, has transformed it into a truly unique 27-hole resort. The name comes from the rare black storks that still nest in the surrounding, strictly protected wetlands. And these storks were actually seen the day that her dad asked Sylvia what name she would suggest for the resort. The course itself does not disappoint. Playing along the foothills of the dramatic mountains, the scratch golfer is given a stern test at the same time as the average Joe is offered playability. Both will hit shots that they will remember for a long, long time. The best way to get here is flying into Krakow. It opens up the opportunity for a multifaceted journey. You can combine premium golf with visiting Europe's largest medieval market square and a deeply moving, historically vital visit to the Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial, which makes for a trip of profound contrasts. The most remarkable part, a world-class experience like this is incredibly accessible. With Golf for More, you can play here for half the green fee, which I find almost unbelievable. Because Black Stork is not just a round of golf, it's a journey through nature and history.